Hi friends! Some of you probably know that I have been struggling with stress and burnout for a long time, which is exactly why I had to plan my content for the week, and I came up with this little laser design. With this, I will be slowing down and I'll take one day at a time. In here you can write in whatever you want. Since I already assembled this one, I will just guide you through how to make it. If you do want me to make a new tutorial or maybe another edition of these, please let me know and I will do just that. But this is the easiest project ever to make, so let's show you. The file contains 3 layers, so you will have a back where you have the engravings Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you want, you can definitely engrave whatever you want, and to make it easier for you, I already made some T2 squares so you can place and center your own text. On the other end here, you will have the option to either engrave a permanent text or you can use a whiteboard marker like I have. So in case I need to change this, I can just use a wet cloth or something like that and wipe off my board. So what I did in order to be able to do that is that I sealed the back with multiple coats of clear acrylic, polyacrylic, varnish. I used varnish, but you can use any. And you could also cut the back piece from acrylic. So the middle layer will be one day at a time, which is curved up here. And again, I made a text box so you can change the text. I also included the fonts that I used. But with this middle layer, you will also have these sliding doors, which are squares that are engraved in each end, so they will slide as soon as you add the top frame to it. The only thing you have to do is glue these 3 layers together and attach the little handle. And that's pretty much it. And as you see, they move very easily. So how it works in my situation anyway is that I can go out to my workshop and I'll just slide over Monday and I can see that Monday I need to plan my week, I need to make content and I need to design a file and shop work, which could be cleaning or maintaining my websites or something like that. When I'm done with the day, I will maybe wipe this off and write something new that I need to do next Monday, or I'll just shut the door. Because then Tuesday, I can see what I have to do Tuesday without getting stressed over the rest of the week. So my Tuesday is cutting my file, recording YouTube videos, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and completing orders. Wednesday, I am packing orders, I am editing my videos, I am making community posts in my school community and Facebook community, YouTube community, and uploading the YouTube video. I'll not publish it until Friday. Thursday, I will have my file release, I will promote the file release, I will prep my YouTube video if I need to add some links or anything like that. And again, shop work, maintenance of my website, cleaning up out here or something like that. And Friday, I will publish my YouTube video. I will again make some community posts. I'll be posting on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and I will be shipping my orders. And then I can shut all my doors and enjoy my weekend with my family. So I really hope that this was enough information to get you going with making your own planner. If you want the file, it is listed in my Etsy shop as well as my website. I can definitely make other variations of this. So if you want another thing, maybe 7 days or you name it, just let me know and I will make it happen. But if you need this or you know anyone else who does, please share the link and please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. It really supports and motivates me to keep on going because I have been dealing with a lot of stress lately. But I'm finally back and I'm trying to get structured. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next